with a buckle. Pull the red tabs or tab to inflate or blow into the manual inflation tubes or tube. The life jacket should be inflated before moving the main exit doors. In case of evacuation through an overwing exit, inflate the life jacket after leaving. You must board the nearest draft on exit. Tampering with or removal of the life jacket without crew authorization is prohibited and a punishable offense. May I have your attention, please? This is a reminder that government regulations prohibit the use of mobile phones once the aircraft doors are closed, as they jeopardize the safety of everyone on board by interfering with our aircraft's communication systems. All mobile phones must be switched off or in the flight mode at this time. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, हम अपने यात्रियों को याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि सरकारी नियमों के अनुसार विमान में मोबाइल फोन्स का प्रयोग करना वर्जित है, क्योंकि ये विमान के संचार साधन और यात्रियों की सुरक्षा में बाधा डाल सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।